I had it upside down because where Beast was, thinking he was this way. And no, he's upside down because that's how Beast works. We have some Marvel Masterpiece by Upper Deck. This one, which artist is this one? Grego? I always butcher the name. Grego, yeah. I was like, where is it? Nahuel Grego. I'm not sure about the first name. I think I might have messed that up. But this is an awesome product. I've opened some of it before. I think like last week and the week before. This has only been out for not too long. I want to say only about like 2 weeks. Maybe 3. But yeah, we're going to get right into this. Did you want the box? Figure I'd ask Justin before I start ripping into this. Okay. Some people like to collect the boxes as well, so I just asked beforehand before I cut across it. Yeah, very nice display. Beast is an underappreciated character. So yeah, this is for our new friend Bluemax, who is now snowed in. But if you're gonna be stuck, and then the first card is Iceman. I'm sorry. I just find that amusing. Stuck in because of the winter. Iceman. He's so angry at you. Is this one? Yes, this one is to $14.99. Just wanted to double check. Ooh, Scarlet Witch on the orange. That is to $99. So 78 of 99 Scarlet Witch. Right? And we got Jubilee on the name card. We're Morning, Max. I love Scarlet Witch. This is a really cool. Yeah, I was playing some games this weekend. Yeah. I'm feeling a bit better. How are you feeling, Max? I know you've been, well. Well, I was just wondering how you've been feeling. Yeah, I think mostly it's gone. I got a little bit of a cough left, but that seems to be everybody in this area. Everyone's getting a little sick. Got Rhino. Jessica Jones. Rhino to $19.99. We got Polaris to $9.99. I love the art on these. I know it's Match. We're like, oh, of course it's going to have good art, but they're just so good. All right, we'll do Max. Shang-Chi. Oh, sweet. On the preliminary. I like the preliminary arts in this year's versus the last year. Because last year they were a little bit of a glossy to it. And to me, that like took me out of the like, oh, preliminary arts mindset. These don't have that glossier look. So I really like the preliminaries in this set. And I believe this is Oh yeah, yeah, he's an X-Force. This is... That's sweet. So Shang-Chi, 1999, and ooh, nice little, to me, not really a color match, but to me, purple really works with this character. So to me, it's a color match. Spider-Gwen on the purple, it's beautiful. Like I say, like it's beautiful. It just, like the purple really works with her. If she didn't use pink, and like the inside of her hood, I feel like purple would work really, really well. And this is 199. That's sick. I like Ghost Spider. I think that was a really, really cool what if, and I like that they actually like developed it. Because usually a lot of what ifs are like one-offs. And then I'm like, okay, that was kind of cool, but then it never really goes anywhere. Got Storm on the Masterpiece. We have War Machine. It's a really sick War Machine. And on the canvas, we got Siren. Have you been talking to Jimmy, Max? Was he able to confirm that it's in the warehouse? We'll do what we can, Travis. Because I honestly don't know how much we got. I know we did there's the group breaks that are up that have sold out. If we can put more up, we will. We just got to get the okay. Because I definitely want to see it. We got Captain Britain on the comic cover. We have Black Widow. It's the $14.99, the Captain Britain, and Kang on the Avengers on the comic cover to $9.99. I know I would like to personally open more. Because I've never opened high tech, but looking at it, I'm like, I want to open this. I feel like we could definitely get Jake in here for that. I'm sure he wouldn't turn down a chance to break that. The Ultimates. I never read the Ultimates. Have you ever read the Ultimates? Are they any good? Got Nightmare. This is $14.99. And ooh, we got the Stepford Kakus on the glitter. It looks really nice on the glitter. Yeah, there's a lot of like variety in that, which is a good thing, I think. Because like you'll get some sets out there where it's like it's mostly base, and then like you don't really get any variety. But like even the base cards in this are awesome. Got Taskmaster. Like this is technically a base card because it's what numbered to $14.99. So that's like, even though it's numbered, like, oh, that's less rare. And we got Warlock. So it's not really a base card, but that's about as on the comic cover. And we got Toad. The Adam Warlock is $9.99. I do like that most things in this set are numbered, though, at least. And they're super high quality, which they should be, all things considered. I like that they didn't skimp on this set. Because I've seen that with other products before where it's like, oh, this is supposed to be great. You know, like supposed to be really high quality. And it's like most of it's not. And you're like, oh, good. Just opening up a little personal here for our some Marvel masterpieces. Can't go wrong at all. What's up, Munoz? Ooh, X-Force. We got our... Oh, I forget his name. It's Arcade? Real name unknown. Yeah, it's Arcade. To $14.99. Oh, sweet. Exodus on the Crackle. Yeah, it is on the Crackle. Okay, cool. I was like, oh man, did I get... Because they were talking like, oh, there's so many different helpful. I'm like, did I get the name right? And Kang the Conqueror. Yeah, I saw the Munoz. I believe that's in the room. I'll just double check with you. Okay. Morning, my guy. Yellow Jacket. Oh, this is a nice preliminary art. This is, I want to say Miles Morales. Yes. Miles Morales. I really like his spider suit design. This is sick. And the preliminary, like on the preliminary art, it just looks so good. I love it. And on the purple, we got Kitty Pryde to $199. Number 17. Nice. That'd be very difficult for me, PG. Because when I was at the Pokemon centers in Japan, they had literally a wall. And I was like, oh, here's the first 250. And then on this other wall, there's like all the other like generations. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to go broke. Like, I don't need to eat today. Like, I did get like the special edition Pikachus that were only at that center, and like I got like a Cyndaquil and some other like random stuff. Like, ooh, I think we have a medal. We have Kate Bishop as Hawkeye. We have Kitty Pryde. And on the Metallurgy, we got Bishop, 24 of 25. 24 of 25 on the metal. That is sick. That is nice. Yep. They put these in upside down. That's awesome. Kate Bishop to $14.99. Two packs left. I think this box has been pretty good. Like, that Metallurgy is sick. You got some cool stuff before it, but like, that is awesome. Nightmare. We have the Sentinels on the cover to $9.99 and Nightmares to $19.99. We got Dazzler. All right, last pack. Let's see some magic. Pyro. All right, sweet. Spider or Ghost Spider. to 1999. And ooh, on the orange, we got the Sentinels on the orange. That is a color match in my mind because it like matches their eyes and the ray really nicely. To 99 was number 71. The Sentinel is awesome. Like, this is sick. So yeah, while you got a lot of hits, I feel like, you know, here's some of the big ones. Good old Scarlet Witch. And then the Sentinels. Kind of looks like they're fighting. But this was an awesome box. Thanks so much for giving me the opportunity to open this for you, Blue Max. It's a ton of fun. Greatly appreciate the order, and we will get this stuff out to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day and try to stay warm. And hopefully you don't get too many more inches of snow. But if I had to guess, I'd say you're probably gonna get like 2 more. You're probably gonna get to like 10 inches. But yeah, take care.